Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to our much anticipated Cake Festival 2025, a celebration of tradition, culture and deliciousness right here at Cambrian School and College. Our beautifully decorated stalls showcase an incredible variety of cakes, each crafted with love and creativity. The cultural program has been a true highlight, adding charm and excitement to the day. Every corner of the festival reflects the warmth and happiness of our people.
Each one tells a story of love, skill, and culture.
Mr. Adib, what makes this pita special?
Because it's homemade, it is special, and it's a pita that's from Switzerland. It's made by our dear neighbor sir.
Eat it.
And it smells good.
Rose, which pita would you recommend? Which one?
Papa pita.
Okay, Papa. How much does one piece cost?
One piece cost 10 taka.
10 taka only?
Yeah.
Okay. The cakes are masterpieces and everyone is enjoying the delightful flavor and lively atmosphere. Thank you so much for being part of the celebration of heritage and togetherness.